Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 English Grammar. Our today's topic is articles. Lesson number 16, articles. Look at the page number 48. Okay, so let's start. The words a, n and the are called articles. We use them before nouns in a phrase or a sentence. You know students, an article is a word that comes before the nouns. There are 3 articles in English. A, n and the. We can use a and n with singular nouns. And we use a if the next words start with a consonant sound. And we use n if the next words start with a vowel sound. Okay? So look at here. We use a and n with singular countable nouns. We do not use them with plural or uncountable noun. Now what is countable noun or uncountable noun, students? Look at here. Countable nouns are names of items that can be counted, like apple, orange and books. These all are we can count. We can say there is 6 apples, 7 orange, 3 books. Okay? Or uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are names of items that cannot be counted. Like rice. We can count it? No. Water, love, news, like our hair. Our hair also we can't count it. Okay? So these all are uncountable. Which item we can count? This is countable noun, and which item we cannot count? That uncountable nouns. Okay? So we use a and the with a and n with countable nouns only. We know that a or n means one. Means a book means one book, a boy means one boy, an ice cream means one ice cream. An old man means old man. Okay? Rita is writing a letter, means one letter. Rohini is eating an orange. You can see here students, orange is start with vowel sound. Okay? So here we use an. We use an before word begin with a vowel sound, an honest reply, an uncle, and egg. Note that in honest, the letter H is silent. We say honest, which begins with a vowel sound. You can see here students, in honest, H is silent. We pronounce it like honest. O means vowel. So, it's begin with vowel sound. That's why we use an here. Okay. We use a before word beginning with a consonant sound. Consonants, which are consonants? Which are vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Now rest of all the letters are consonant. Like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X and Z. These letters are consonant. Now, we use a before word begins with the consonant sound. A giraffe, a universe, a banana and a tree. Note that in university, the letter U is pronounced as U, which begins with the consonant sound Y. Okay, now the next. Write a. Now let us see the exercise. Exercise A. Write a or n before the nouns given below. Dash octopus. What will come? N. Because octopus begins with a vowel sound. Octopus. Okay. Now the next. Dash crab. Here we use a crab. Dash insect. An insect because it starts with E. E is vowel sound. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. So, E is vowel sound, insect. That's why we use an. A, unicorn. Here we use A because unicorn start with a consonant sound. U means Y means consonant word. So, a unicorn. Now, fifth, a Bengal because it starts with consonant sound. Dash engine. A. It starts with vowel sound. A. Engine. A. A-E-I-O-U. It's a vowel. So, this word starts with vowel sound. That's why we use an. Okay. Now, rest of all words you have to write by yourself as a homework. Okay, students. Thank you.